I'm Candy Tolentino, success coach and author of the book, How to Win the Game of Life After 40. And this video is all about how to approach anyone about anything confidently. In other words, how to confidently pitch someone, because especially if you're a brand new entrepreneur, you will have to pitch someone about something in order to bring your business to the next level. So it might be the store owner who has a space that you'd like to rent. It could be a potential business partner. It could be an angel investor or venture capital firm that you'd like to get funding from. No matter what, having the public speaking skills, something that does intimidate most people, and having the ability to pitch effectively in your pocket will greatly benefit you. So here's a secret I learned, well, not so secret anymore, from a friend who is a writer, director, producer in Hollywood who's very successful, and even though he has no formal training whatsoever, he's always been quite confident about his skills. So I asked him, what makes you so confident? How do you have the ability to pick up the phone and pitch anyone just because an idea springs into your head? And what he told me is he uses his imagination. This is something anyone can do. We all have an imagination. What he does, whether it's the head of Paramount, Steven Spielberg, or anyone else, is he imagines that that powerful person bought a winning lottery ticket for $250 million and they lost it. He comes along as the hero in the story and finds their winning lottery ticket. And that's literally what he imagines before he picks up the phone to call that person. So the intimidation factor for him is gone. And think about it. If someone literally did lose a multi-million-dollar lottery ticket and you found it and were calling to return it to them, would you be intimidated to talk to them? Of course not, right? So what you have to do is adopt the same mindset with pitching your product or service. And literally, it can be a winning lotto ticket for that person. You have to at least believe that it is. You have to know going in, you have the ability to make that person's day, to change their life potentially, and of course to change your life, but to take the intimidation away, imagine that you have a winning lottery ticket. Imagine that you have the ability to make that person's day, and imagine that you're going to create a mutually beneficial situation for each of you. Because if you believe in yourself and you've created a great product and you're taking into account the tips that I've mentioned in the book and in the videos, etc., if you've put your heart and soul into something, you do have the ability to impact the world. And certainly you have the ability to impact the person's life whom you're sitting in front of and pitching your product or service to. So hopefully this was helpful to you. It's been extremely helpful to me. As always, please keep in touch. Subscribe through my website to my mailing list to find out what's going on with our movement. Of course, you can subscribe to the YouTube videos, like if you like them, comment. I'll respond when I can. I love hearing from you. And most importantly, as always, please remember, it doesn't matter who you are or where you've been. It is never too late to start living the life of your dreams today. Bye for now.